Hello, I hope you're fine and ready with your favorite craft on your hand, because in this video I'm sharing simple and joyful projects to clean out your stash once and for all. From colorful garlands to a cute strap purse and more ideas to try in the future. If you're anything like me, your yarn stash looks a bit like this. Small leftovers from old projects, tangled ends, colors you don't know how to use, and yet you keep saving them. My stash, it's quite organized now because I tied it up in one of my last videos, but still, it has a lot of yarn that I could use. My mission today is to use what I have, donate what I don't, and make space for more creativity. But first, let me introduce you to Craftsy, the kind sponsor of this video. Craftsy is an online platform with thousands of classes for everything, from crochet and sewing to baking, painting, and so much more. I've been using it recently to improve my crochet skills, especially things like color work and understanding how to shape garments properly. The best part is, once you sign up, you get unlimited access to all the classes. The instructions are super clear and encouraging, and they show everything step by step. One of the classes I recently watched is 2 Color Crochet by Mary Beth Temple. It's perfect if you're working with lots of yarn scraps in different colors, like I am in this video. I especially liked how she explains how to control one strand at a time, something that's been super helpful for color changes in my projects. Plus, I discovered new stitch patterns I can't wait to try next. If you're dreaming of improving your skills or just want to stay inspired all year, this is a great place to start. And here's the good news, the first 1000 of you to click the link in my video description will get a full year of premium Craftsy membership for just $1.49. I think it's a great deal. Just make sure you're a new member and join through my special link below. Thank you again to Craftsy for making this video possible and supporting creative content like this. These little leftover balls, they seem harmless, but they pile up so fast. It's kind of inevitable. Every project leaves you with a bit of yarn. But what do we actually do with these tiny scraps? Tossing them just feels wrong. So let's use our scrap yarn stash with fun, useful and satisfying projects. And what a better place to start than with granny squares. Did you know that the name granny squares comes from the tradition of older women, grannies, using this technique to turn leftover yarn into colorful blankets and home goods? It's basically the ultimate scrap yarn solution. You can make anything, bags, book sleeves, scarves, tops, but today I'm making something pretty and practical. A little pan holder that will brighten up the kitchen. For the next project, I want to use my cotton yarn leftovers. This is my favorite type of yarn to crochet. Everything looks so neat with cotton and so nice to the touch. I don't have a lot of this yarn because, well, it's expensive, but I hope it's enough for making a cute little scrap yarn bag. I used this picture as reference, but I made up the pattern as I went along.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that, feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that.
Since I started crocheting 2 years ago, I went for the cheapest yarn I could find. The kind that wouldn't feel like a waste if the project turned out not so great. That's how I ended up with a big stash of rough, chunky yarn I don't really enjoy working with. Now I have 2 full baskets of it at home and it actually blocks my creativity a bit. I hesitate to buy new yarn I do like because I feel guilty about the pile I already have. I thought I was being clever back then, saving money while I learned, but now it's kind of backfired and I just can't seem to get myself to use it. But I think I found a solution for this problem with the next project.
Like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that, feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels
If you want to make a bag like mine, you can buy the pattern from Mia's Realm of Ideas, and I think it should look similar to mine. Alright, we've already looked at fun ways to use up different colors and textures of scrap yarn, but now I want to tackle the real challenge. What to do with bad yarn? The kind with such poor quality and texture that you wouldn't want it anywhere near your skin. I've been racking my brain for a solution, and I think I finally found it. What's something that looks pretty in lots of colors and you don't have to touch once it's done? Scrap yarn garlands. They are perfect for this. You can crochet little shapes whenever you have the time, with no pressure, and then join them all together when you are in the mood. Let's start making some, and then I will show you what I did with the rest of the yarn. It has something to do with the crochet community. And now the final step in my stash cleaning mission. Remember those little skeins I wound at the beginning? I didn't let them go to waste. I decided to share them with the community by organizing a small outdoor crochet gathering, where anyone could stop by and join a relaxed scrap yarn activity. My friend Noor recently started a little cute workshop, and it's the perfect spot to host an activity like this. We spent a lovely morning making new friends and bringing a bit of life to the neighborhood, chatting, enjoying the breeze, and inviting curious passers-by to join in. Everyone worked on whatever they felt like, and many dipped into the communal yarn basket. Together we even managed to make the banner a little longer. Let me know which project you love the most, or if you have scrap yarn ideas I should try. If you make something from these videos, tag me on Instagram, I'd love to see it. And if you're feeling inspired to learn something new or improve your skills, don't forget to check out Craftsy through my link in the description. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope it inspired you to look at your yarn scraps with new eyes. See you in the next one. Adeu!